How to find saved effects on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first I will go out of here and then go again to your Instagram app. And then from here, if you want to go to stories, to your effects, you have to swipe left, or you can click to that plus button from the right top of the page next to notifications, and then from here click to story. And then if you want to find your saved effects, I have three methods for you. You can either go to a random effect, then click to his name, and then from here scroll down until you find browse effect gallery. So click on that. And then here at the left top corner, you will see Saves option. So click on that. And here you will see all the saved effects. And now let's show you the second method. So I will go back again. Let's say we are here to no effect. And we can swipe until we find the last option, which is Browse Effects. So click on that. And then click again on saved, which is in the left top corner, and here you will find them. And the last option, the third option, is going back to home, and then on the left side you will find all your saved effects. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.